Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to set your preferred payment option on eBay. So firstly open eBay application on your device and then enter my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen. And now scroll down to the section account, and here you see payment section. And now you want to press the button add cards and accounts. So eBay suggests offers to set up different payment options for different types of buying, let's say this way. So you can set up one credit card for checkout and another credit card for auctions, but it's not necessary. You can set up the same payment card for both checkout and auctions. So let's proceed with checkout, for example, and now choose your payment method. For example, for me it will be credit card. And now enter the data of your credit card. So it includes card number, expiration date, security code, which is CVV, first name and last name. Now you can even make the process simpler. So instead of entering your card number manually, you can use your camera to scan your card, your credit card, and also check whether your billing address is correct, and if not, you can edit it by tapping edit, and now edit your billing address. And then when you filled in all the information, all the required information, save your credit card by pressing add button. So that's basically how you can set your preferred payment option on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.